solution and food coloring. Okay, so let's continue to this. So the first step is you have to add a glue. Ugh. The next step is you have to add baking soda. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Wait, do you need more baking soda, bud? It didn't look like you were getting a lot.
And so keep mixing it till it completely fills. And now, if you're ready, start adding your contact solution. Keep mixing it. Dad, do you think it's ready?
I don't know. Should I eat it?
No! Okay, so keep mixing, mixing, mixing. Mixing. Mixing, 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 mixing. I think we're gonna start mixing in. And we're gonna add it to my slime earlier, and then we're gonna make it even bigger. It's gonna be so much fun. Added some food coloring. This is our slime. So now you should have this super fluffy slime. It's so fun to play with. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Fun with Joey. Bye!